Wallace. Introducing the challengers. At a combined weight of 561 pounds, the Hammer, William Wallace, and the Hammer, William Wallace. And introducing the champions. At a combined weight of 370 pounds, the Superstar, Nicholas, and the Hooligans.
This has all the makings of a legendary night.
He lands a jarring forearm.
A strike out of nowhere.
Great move. That strike definitely found its target.
Teamwork at its best.
Camel clutches in.
Look at the torque.
Oh, and he slips out.
Wow, looked to me like he had it locked in pretty good. I guess not.
Just look at this man. He's all business. Impact and then some.
Oh, there's the abdominal stretch. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Jacks the jaw. Absolutely has to make a tag here.
Yeah, but that's easier said than done, Michael.
Running power slam.
That should do it, Cole. There's no coming back from a slam of that magnitude.
And a kick out.
Still seems a little early.
He hits the big knee.
That's how you make an impact.
Made him pay there.
He's sending a message to the entire WWE locker room here.
He's not going to go quietly.
No superstar worth his salt ever does.
Oh no, a counter. Oh, he's able to reverse it.
Few superstars are as dominant as this guy. Looks like the champ is starting to crack. Unfortunately for the champ, momentum is clearly on the challenger's side right now.
He's not looking good, and at this point, he has no option but to make it to his corner and get his partner in there.
And he just found out that's not the place you want to be.
Ain't no stopping him now. He is a one-man gang in there.
Strong arm to the mat. Oh, this is dangerous right here. Incoming. Bad move there.
I don't know what made him think that was a good idea.
Got the reversal.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Tough spot here for the champ. This is not where he wants to be at this point in this tag team match.
I can't say I expected to see this tonight. It's not every day you see a guy as talented as him take such a beating.
Ouch! After a move like that, he's going to need to see a chiropractor or a spine specialist, whatever he's comfortable with. No pun intended, of course.
He gets him with a reversal.
Look at this. He's going back to an old friend with that one.
He's too quick for him there. Oh, and sent crashing back down. Missed by a large margin on that one.
Wow, he's better than that.
He may be in the best physical condition I've ever seen him in.
Oh, and he reverses it. Comes up big with the reversal. Went for the airways there.
This could be it.
No, it's not over yet.
Wow, part of me thought he was going to tap, Cole.
Counter here. Not so fast.
We've seen this before. He's pressing all the right buttons now.
He unloads an amazing series of moves.
Ain't no stopping him now.
He's not looking good here, Byron.
No, he's got to get up, and he's got to get up now.
Now there's the counter. Pays for that one.
The challenger not in a great place. The challenger's hopes of becoming champion appear to be in serious jeopardy right now.
He's looked great up until now, and it's imperative that he doesn't lose focus and let his opponent back into this match.
Hoping to end it here. 2.
Oh, man, I mean, that was so close. I thought it was over.
Yeah, it's going to take more than that.
He's making a statement here with this attack. Going for an encore here.
Nobody home for that one.
No kidding. There weren't even any lights on.
And he goes for the pin. No trouble kicking out of that one.
Just not enough damage done yet, Cole.
He delivers the side slam. Oh, and he hits a magnificent Hurricane Rana.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite
nicely done, but sometimes stealing an opponent's move can come back to haunt you.
Wow, that was impressive. Quickly into the cover with the title on the line. For some competitors, part of their strategy is to demean their opponent. A move like that says it all. Up and over with a suplex. What are the odds that we'll see new tag team champions come out of here tonight? He's in a tough spot here, Corey.
And if he doesn't get up, it's going to get a lot tougher.
Looking for the win. He has him right where he wants him. Here he goes. Uh-oh, the future shock.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Will this be it?
The champ comes into this match incredibly motivated, though all the motivation in the world might not help here tonight. He is a one-man gang in there. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Unleashing it for the second time now. Hold on, guys. This isn't good.
No question about it, Cole.
The champ to the top turnbuckle. Look out! This is it.
Ain't no stopping him now.
Big miss for him there.
And he'll likely pay for it here.
Doesn't show any signs of getting up here, guys.
No, he's taking one heck of a beating, Michael.
He might have it. Phenomenal forearm!
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
He thinks he has it. He's delivering an old-fashioned butt kicking right here. Oh, he turns it around. Well-executed drop kick. He's still not moving, guys.
He might be out, Cole. Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
The face is absorbing a lot of punishment right now. It might be a good idea to get those arms up. There may be no stopping him.